Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to play music over your live stream on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Zoom Workplace. Now present new meeting. Now click on Share option. Now go to Advanced. Here you can see Computer Audio. You have to press on it. After pressing this, you have to press the Share button. Before opening your Share button, you have to open your audio. That's it. So this is how to play music over a live stream on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.